What's up, traders? I just want to go over in a brief video here how you can use Bookmap to add additional confidence to your trades and actually pinpoint entries and exits. So in this case, we have QLGN here, which went on a pretty nice run. This is a 1-minute chart. It tapped off at $3 and then it broke through up here and had a pretty nice failure. So this is kind of a quintessential reversal candle at a psychological level. You've got the reversal candle and you've got the big level that it failed to break through. So this very much could have been a top. Now, I say could have been because it balanced out pretty nicely here, where this really should have came straight down probably to 214, 220 area, pretty much retested VWAP pretty quickly, but it didn't do that. So now we're thinking, well, it didn't do what it should have done. So now we're thinking maybe it's going to go and do the opposite thing, which is go back up to the highs. Now, as it consolidates here, we don't want to buy it yet because we don't know. This could still break down. However, we get a really nice move here back up to 280. And now we're thinking, well, you just saw the sneak peek of what happens there. This might make a run towards $3. So here's where I want to show you Bookmap to see what added additional confidence to this trade. I actually called this out in the Discord. I didn't play it myself, but it was kind of interesting, and I just want to briefly show what Bookmap looked like at this point in time. So this was the run up on Bookmap. This was the consolidation phase. And then this right here, this was that pop to 280. Now, when that pop to 280 happened, you can see that a pretty large order came in below us at 260. So anytime you see bids starting to step up, you saw a bid step up here, which caused this initial move. You saw another huge bid step up here, and this is 110,000 shares. So that's a lot of shares stepping up on the bid, and that's going to drive price higher, which is what it did here. So now, do I think you should just buy in front of every bid and hope that it does this? I don't think so. I think that if you have a theory of what price should do, in this case we did. We saw the jump to 280, and we said, this might continue back up to the highs, at least retesting the highs. And then you see a bid like this. Now you can take a trade at the current level with a stop loss a little bit below this bid, and that's going to give you a really defined place to enter and exit the trade. And I want to show just one more example. This was actually a screenshot that I took on Bookmap because I did actually take a short here. And the reason I took a short was because I saw short stepping up at 590. So as price dipped, what you want to see is bids either building under a move that's going up or building above a move that's going down. In this case, the move was going down, and then the shorts or the sellers, they came in and stepped down their orders at 590. So it gave me a great place to risk off of. And I'm not actually sure where I took this short. You could take it multiple places. You could take it on the first test, the second test, the third test, or as we start to fail and then have a stop above that 590 level. So it's going to give you pretty good risk reward because you know exactly where you're wrong. And assuming that these sellers are serious, they're probably going to step down their orders as this goes along. Now, they didn't in this case, but still this short paid pretty nicely. So something to look for in Bookmap. I do really like Bookmap as a software. It is a little bit pricey at $100 a month. I do have a affiliate link that I'm going to put below. If you want to use it, that'd be awesome. It'll help me out a little bit. I think it'll also help you out. You'll get like $40 off your first month. But honestly, what I'd recommend, if you use Thinkorswim already, you can call them and have them enable Bookmap on Thinkorswim, and I think it's only $40. So that's probably what I'm going to do going forward. But if you want to use the Bookmap platform as a standalone, then yeah, I do have that affiliate link below. And so I hope you enjoyed these little tidbits. I will try to create more of these as I see them come up, and I do want to do a larger review of the Bookmap software as a whole, but that'll be coming in the future. So stick around and we'll see you in the next video.